use to make the tomato soup. Tomatoes, tomato puree, celery, carrots and onion, some garlic granules, salt and pepper. So we just chop all the ingredients really small, ready to go into the soup maker. Now all the ingredients are chopped up, and I've also added 2 stock cubes. I'm going to add all of this to the slow cooker with 1 teaspoon of each of the salt, the pepper and the garlic granules. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of the tomato puree. So all the ingredients are added into the soup maker. Just going to fill the water up until the vegetables are covered. Right, we're all set. So we're going to put this one, because this soup's much better smooth. I think this is a shorter cooking time as well. So off we go, 21 minutes. And open the lid. This is the finished soup. You can also add 4 large tablespoons of cream if you wanted to make a cream of tomato soup. You just leave it in the soup maker and stir it in, or you can use a blender function on it. Okay, thanks for watching, bye for now.